Hey guys, it's Melody here, and there is a mystery box. I don't have it in my hands because I'm not home right now, but I have pictures for you. And this is a great box. You get 70% off the retail price. Okay, let's take a closer look. This first one is orange window cling. That means it'll stick on the window and you can take it off easily just in time for Halloween and Thanksgiving. And then you have patterned iron-on. This has 3 patterns, great for using with fonts and different things on shirts, or you can even use it on cardstock. It's the Moroccan sampler. Next, we have premium permanent glossy in 12 by 48. That's 4 feet of premium vinyl in parchment color. I do have to admit, it's not my favorite color, but it's perfect when you want to make a Mickey Mouse or you want to make something at the beach, or it's just a color that you need to have on hand. Next, we have premium vinyl in textured metallic in the color of copper. This is absolutely beautiful. You do need the Stronghold Cricut transfer tape for this, and you can transform something into this beautiful metallic look. It's absolutely beautiful. Next, we have party foil in charcoal. This is one of my favorites. You get 2 sheets, 12 by 48. One is an amazing sparkle and one is more of a matte. You can see through it. You can make sunglasses with it. You can hang things from the ceiling in those spiral things. You can make confetti with it. It is so cool. Next, we have faux leather. This is the pebble faux leather in copper. It is so pretty and perfect for earrings. Next, we have metallic iron-on sampler. You get 6 sheets of 12 by 12 of metallic iron-on. This is guaranteed for 50 washes when used properly. Next, you get the premium vinyl textured metallic in chocolate brown. This is another beautiful one where you use the Stronghold transfer tape. It really brings things to life. It is so pretty. And now party foil in orange. This with the charcoal party foil is perfect for a Halloween party. You get 4 feet of the sparkle party foil, 4 feet of the orange party foil. It really is amazing. You can use it for confetti. You can glue this on cards. You can emboss it. Party foil is amazing. It does not have adhesive. It doesn't need it when you hang it from the ceiling or make banners with it. You can glue it to scrapbook pages or cards or emboss it. It's amazing. And next you get the premium vinyl removable 20 sheets. They're flat, they're not in rolls, they're the essential colors that everybody needs. Do you have anything you want to decorate? You can do it with this removable vinyl. It's awesome. You can make labels, you can do so much with this. Okay, and last but not least, one of my favorite colors and designers by Natalie Milan. She makes beautiful papers. You get 6 different papers. You get 2 of each in this pack, and they're double-sided. If you have not used paper with your Cricut, you need to start. You can make a beautiful gift box or a card or just a pretty decoration with this beautiful paper. There is a link below. If you add a little bit to your cart, you can use my code INSPIRE and get 10% off and free shipping. If you have Cricut Access, you get another 10% off. You can't go wrong on this box. Its retail value is $137.41. Now go grab it before it's gone. They go fast. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. You'll never know where I'll be coming from. Bye, guys.